hello. I am looking a bit rough today. I have just come out of like a pretty much 2 week flare up and a ear infection. So excuse excuse this whole situation going on. I have adopted a cat and I would love it if you guys could help me think of a name. Her current rescue name is Buttons. Now, I thought it kind of suited her when I first got her. She flew to the UK from Dubai and had to go to Heathrow to pick her up. And I'm not vibing with that name. Now I know her personality more. Now I know what kind of character she is. I think that Buttons doesn't suit her. I think she needs something magical, whimsical, but also like badass. Like she doesn't take any shit. So I would love it if you guys could help me come up with a name for her. It is currently a heat wave here in the UK. It is now 26 degrees Celsius. I'm off outside in the sunshine in a little bit. I've got some errands I need to run. But yeah, I just wanted to catch up with you and roll on footage of Buttons.